Welcome to the Wild World Survival Channel. Today, we will learn about the animal that can be said to be the symbol of Australia, the kangaroo. Not only famous for its unique way of moving, kangaroos also possess amazing biological characteristics and behaviors. So what makes them so special? Let's explore with us through this video. Kangaroo, also known as kangaroo, is a group of marsupials belonging to the family Macropodidae. There are about 50 species of kangaroos. The word kangaroo is often used to refer to some of the largest species in this family, such as Red Kangaroo, Macropus rufus, the largest kangaroo, which can grow up to 2 meters tall and weigh nearly 90 kilograms, Antilopin kangaroo and Red Kangaroo, slightly smaller but still extremely fast. Tree kangaroo is a species that lives in trees, compact and agile in the rainforest. Kangaroo also has many smaller species. The kangaroo is an Australian symbol. All kangaroos have strong hind legs, long, narrow feet. They sit on these legs and have large, sturdy bushy tails. When foraging or moving slowly, they use all fours, but when moving quickly, they move by leaping. Their tails help them balance when jumping. When two males fight, they can stand on their tails and use their hind legs to defend themselves. Did you know that kangaroos cannot walk backwards? This is why they are often used as a symbol of progress in Australian culture. Kangaroos hop on their hind legs, reaching speeds of 70 km per hour and jumping up to 9 meters in a single leap. Their long tails help them balance and act as a third leg when they stand or fight. Male kangaroos often use their hind legs to kick and their tails to balance when fighting for mating rights. Their kicks are powerful enough to injure enemies or attackers. When in danger, kangaroos often lean their bodies on their sturdy tails, using their hind legs with sharp claws to kick their enemies up or hug them tightly with their front legs, hugging them until they suffocate or push them into the water and drown them to death. Kangaroos are adapted to many different environments, from grasslands, arid deserts, to sparse forests throughout Australia. They are able to survive in harsh conditions. Their bodies can sweat and minimize dehydration. Kangaroos are mainly active at night. In the cooler months, they can forage all day. Their food is mainly mushrooms, plants, insects, etc. Australia's deserts are very cold, but kangaroos can live there for a long time. When they are too cold, they gnaw on their front legs. The front legs have little hair. When the saliva evaporates, it will cool the blood under the skin and then the whole body. Kangaroos have a habit of living in herds, often living in groups called mobs. The leader is a large male, called a boomer, who plays the role of protecting and leading the herd. In the natural environment, living in herds not only helps kangaroos defend themselves against predators but also increases the survival chances of each individual. Males of some species in the kangaroo group have the ability to grow continuously throughout their lives. This is a very special ability in the animal world called unlimited growth. Female kangaroos have a special ability. Did you know? If food is scarce, mother kangaroos can delay giving birth to conserve energy, meaning they can pause the development of the fetus when conditions are not favorable. Mother kangaroos can produce 2 types of milk at the same time, one for the young and one for the older ones. This is one of their surprising biological abilities. Kangaroos are a group of animals whose young are born prematurely and then carried in a pouch. Usually, they are born one at a time. At birth, kangaroo calves are red, have no eyes and are very small, about 2.54 centimeters long, weighing about 0.8 to 1 gram. They crawl to their mother's pouch to feed and stay there for about 8 months. After they leave the pouch, they continue to suckle until they are 1 year old. Kangaroos are a cultural icon of Australia, appearing on the coat of arms, coins and the logos of many companies. They play an important role in the ecosystem by controlling vegetation and providing food for other predators. The challenges that kangaroos are facing are the loss of their natural habitat. Urban expansion and land exploitation have significantly reduced the living space of kangaroos. People also often see images of kangaroos having accidents on the highway. They are also hunted for their meat and skin, despite strict regulations. In addition, the impact of climate change causing high temperatures and frequent droughts makes food sources scarce, directly threatening the number of kangaroos. Kangaroos are not only a symbol of strength but also evidence of the amazing ability of nature. What can we learn from this special animal? Let's protect nature, because only then can we preserve the wild beauty forever. Don't forget to like, share the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss other interesting stories. Hello and see you again.